Let's be honest, most of us don't think about our cars until something goes wrong. A weird noise, a warning light, that sinking feeling when the engine won't start. But what if I told you that many of the biggest car problems people face could have been avoided with a few simple habits? Today, we're diving into the things you'll regret not doing to your car sooner. And no, this isn't about buying fancy upgrades or spending thousands at a dealership. It's about the small, smart choices that protect your car, your wallet, and your peace of mind. Because here's the truth, cars don't just break down overnight. They whisper before they scream. And if you learn to listen early, you'll save yourself from a world of stress later. Let's start with something most people ignore until it's too late. Engine oil. Changing your oil isn't just a routine chore. It's the lifeblood of your engine. When oil gets old, it thickens, loses its ability to lubricate, and starts collecting sludge. That sludge doesn't just sit there, it clogs tiny passages inside your engine, increases friction, and slowly wears down parts that were never meant to touch. And once that damage is done, it's irreversible. You can't unscratch a piston, you can't unburn a bearing. The worst part? Most people wait until their car feels off before checking the oil, but by then the damage has already started. Regular oil changes, done on time, not just when you remember, can literally double the life of your engine. And if you drive in extreme temperatures, sit in traffic often, or take short trips where the engine doesn't fully warm up, you need to be even more vigilant. These conditions break down oil faster than you think. Now let's talk about tire pressure. It sounds boring, right? But underinflated tires don't just affect fuel economy, they're dangerous. When your tires are low, more of the rubber touches the road. That creates heat. And heat is the enemy of tire integrity. It weakens the sidewalls, increases the risk of blowouts, and shortens the lifespan of your tires by thousands of kilometers. Plus, low pressure throws off your alignment and suspension. Your car starts pulling to one side. You feel every bump, and over time, your shocks and struts wear out faster than they should, all because of something you could have fixed in 2 minutes with a $10 pressure gauge. Here's another regret that creeps up slowly: ignoring your battery. Car batteries don't die suddenly. They fade, they lose charge capacity. They struggle in cold weather, and one day, you'll be late for work, turn the key, and hear nothing but a click. That's the moment most people realize they haven't checked their battery in years. But here's the thing, modern batteries can be tested easily. Most auto shops will do it for free, and if you catch a weak battery early, you can replace it before it strands you. Even better, you can clean the terminals, check for corrosion, and make sure your alternator is charging properly. These small checks prevent big headaches. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: transmission fluid. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid doesn't need changing every few months. But when it does need changing, it's critical. Dirty transmission fluid causes rough shifting, delayed acceleration, and eventually total transmission failure. And if you've ever priced a transmission rebuild, you know it's not cheap. We're talking thousands. The problem is, most people don't even know when their transmission fluid was last changed. It's not part of the regular oil change. It's buried in the owner's manual. But if you drive an automatic, especially in stop and go traffic or hilly areas, your transmission works hard, and it needs clean fluid to survive. Speaking of fluids, let's not forget coolant. Coolant isn't just for keeping your engine from overheating. It also prevents corrosion inside the radiator and engine block. Over time, old coolant loses its protective additives. That leads to rust, scale buildup, and clogged passages. And once your cooling system is compromised, your engine starts running hot. That heat warps metal, cracks gaskets, and can even blow your head gasket, a repair that often costs more than the car is worth. Flushing your coolant every few years is cheap insurance. It keeps your engine running at the right temperature and protects the parts you can't see. Now, let's shift gears, literally, and talk about brakes. Brake pads don't last forever, and when they wear down, they don't just stop working. They start grinding into the rotors. That grinding sound, it's metal on metal, and every time you hear it, you're shaving off money from your wallet. Because replacing rotors is far more expensive than replacing pads. Even worse, worn brakes increase stopping distance. That means the difference between a close call and a collision. Checking your brake pads regularly, listening for squeaks, and and feeling for vibrations when you brake can save you from both financial and physical damage. Let's talk about something that's rarely discussed, but incredibly important: cleaning your car's underbody. Most people wash the exterior, vacuum the interior, and call it a day. But the underside of your car is where rust begins. Road salt, moisture, and grime collect under the chassis, especially in rainy or snowy climates. And once rust starts, it spreads. It eats away at brake lines, fuel lines, and structural components. A simple underbody wash every few months can prevent thousands in rust damage. It's especially important if you live near the coast or drive on salted roads. Rust doesn't just make your car look bad, it makes it unsafe. Now let's talk about air filters, both engine and cabin. Your engine air filter protects the combustion chamber from dust and debris. A clogged filter reduces airflow, which means your engine has to work harder. That leads to poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, and increased emissions. Your cabin air filter, on the other hand, affects the air you breathe. A dirty filter traps moisture, mold, and allergens. It makes your AC work harder and can even cause bad smells inside the car. Replacing both filters is cheap, easy, and something you'll wish you did sooner once you feel the difference. Here's a regret that hits hard: not learning basic maintenance. You don't need to be a mechanic, but knowing how to check your oil, change a tire, jump start your battery, and replace a fuse can save you in emergencies. These skills aren't just practical, they're empowering. They turn you from a helpless driver into someone who can handle the unexpected. And let's be real, roadside assistance isn't always fast. Sometimes you're stuck in the middle of nowhere with no signal. Knowing how to help yourself is a skill you'll never regret learning. Now let's talk about fuel quality. Most people go for the cheapest fuel they can find. But low-quality fuel can contain additives that clog injectors, reduce combustion efficiency, and leave carbon deposits inside your engine. Over time, this buildup affects performance and fuel economy. Using fuel from reputable stations, occasionally adding a fuel system cleaner, and avoiding discount pumps can make a noticeable difference. Your engine runs smoother, lasts longer, and stays cleaner. Here's something that's often ignored: wheel alignment and balancing. Misaligned wheels cause uneven tire wear, poor handling, and increased fuel consumption. You might not notice it at first, but over time, your car starts drifting, your steering feels off, and your tires wear out prematurely. Getting your wheels aligned and balanced every year, or after hitting a pothole, keeps your car driving straight and your tires lasting longer. It's one of those things people skip until the damage is done. Let's talk about something that feels invisible until it becomes a nightmare: your car's suspension system. Most people think of suspension as just how smooth the ride feels, but it's so much more than that. Your suspension is what keeps your tires in contact with the road. It's what allows you to brake safely, turn confidently, and avoid losing control during sudden maneuvers. When your shocks or struts wear out, your car starts bouncing more. You feel every pothole, but more dangerously, your tires lose grip during braking. That means longer stopping distances and less control in emergencies. The regret here is subtle. You don't notice it day by day, but over months your car starts feeling off, and by the time you realize it's a suspension issue, your tires are unevenly worn, your alignment is shot, and your safety is compromised. Getting your suspension checked every 50,000 kilometers or sooner if you drive on rough roads isn't just about comfort, it's about control. Now let's talk about software updates. Yes, your car has software, and no, it's not just for the infotainment system. Modern vehicles rely on dozens of electronic control units, ECUs, that manage everything from fuel injection to braking to climate control. Manufacturers often release updates that fix bugs, improve performance, and even enhance fuel efficiency. But here's the catch: most people never install them. Why? Because they don't know they exist. Unless your car has over-the-air updates like Tesla or newer BMWs, you need to visit a dealership or authorized service center. Ignoring these updates can mean driving with outdated safety features, inefficient fuel maps, or glitchy electronics. It's like using a phone with last year's software, except the stakes are higher. Another overlooked regret: neglecting your car's paint protection. It's easy to think of paint as just cosmetic, But your car's paint is its first line of defense against rust. Chips, scratches, and sun damage expose the metal underneath, and once rust starts, it spreads silently. Waxing your car every few months, using ceramic coatings, or even parking in the shade can dramatically extend the life of your paint, and by extension, your car's body. This isn't about vanity, it's about preservation. A well-maintained exterior protects resale value, prevents corrosion, and keeps your car looking newer for longer. And let's be honest, driving a clean, shiny car just feels better. Let's move to something that's often misunderstood: fuel filters. Your fuel filter is what keeps dirt, debris, and contaminants out of your engine. Over time, it clogs, and when it does, your engine struggles to get the fuel it needs. You'll notice sluggish acceleration, rough idling, and even stalling. But because these symptoms are vague, most people blame the spark plugs, the battery, or even the transmission. Replacing your fuel filter every 40,000 to 80,000 kilometers, depending on your car, can prevent all of that. It's a cheap fix that protects one of the most expensive parts of your car, the engine. So if you've ever said, "I'll deal with it later," this is your wake-up call. Your car has been quietly asking for care, and now you know how to listen. Don't wait for the breakdown, the warning light, or the repair bill that makes your stomach drop. Start today. Check your fluids, inspect your tires, learn the basics. Because every small step you take now is a giant leap towards safety, savings, and peace of mind. If this video helped you see your car differently, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this content matters. Subscribe for more real-world advice that protects what you drive and empowers how you drive. And drop a comment below. What's one thing you wish you'd done for your car sooner? Let's learn from each other.